External storage devices like pendrives, SD cards, and microSD cards have become essential for safeguarding available data and effortlessly transferring it between devices. However, no matter how careful we are, data loss can still occur due to accidental deletion, physical damage, or even malware attack. If you have been in such a situation, then this video is for you. In today's video, I'll show you how you can recover your deleted or formatted files from both pendrives and SD cards. Let's start with the pendrives. These are incredibly handy but also prone to data loss. If you have accidentally deleted files from your pen drive, and you might be wondering why those files don't appear in your Windows recycle bin. That's because external drives don't follow the same rules as internal storage of your PC when it comes to file deletion. So what now? This is where Stellar Data Recovery Professional comes to the rescue. This trusted software is capable of recovering both deleted and corrupted data from external storage devices. Let's go through the recovery steps together. The setup process is straightforward. First, head over to Stellar's official website and download the software onto your PC. Just install the recovery software on your laptop and you're good to go. Now, open Stellar Data Recovery Professional app and plug your pen drive into your PC's USB port. You'll be prompted to choose which file types you want to recover. Make your selection and hit Next. Now select the connected pen drive from the list of drives and click on Scan. The software will begin scanning for any recoverable drives, so sit tight as it works its magic. Once the scan is complete, you'll be able to preview the recoverable files. Take your time to select the files you want back. After that, select the Recover button to proceed. Here's a crucial tip. Avoid saving the recovered files back on the same pen drive. Choose a different location on your PC to ensure the recovery is successful. Hit Start Saving and your files will be restored in no time. And that's it. You'll find the recoverable files neatly organized in the #root folder of your Windows File Explorer. If you're interested in a detailed review of Stellar Data Recovery Professional, then be sure to check out this video linked in the I button. Next, let's talk about the SD cards, which are widely used in smartphones for extra storage. Whether it's accidental deletion or file corruption, losing data from your microSD card can be frustrating. But don't worry, I've got you covered. If you prefer using PC to retrieve data from an SD card, the process is very similar to what we just did with the pen drive. Insert it into a card reader and connect the reader to your PC. Follow the exact same steps we discussed earlier for pen drive recovery using Stellar Data Recovery Professional. But if you don't have a PC and you are an Android user, then don't worry. You can recover your lost data directly on your phone using EaseUS Mobisaver for Android. Here's how. Head over to the Google Play Store and install EaseUS Mobisaver for Android. Once installed, grant the app the necessary permissions to access your phone's data and select your SD card as the target for recovery. The app will begin scanning for any deleted files. Once the scan is complete, you'll see a list of recoverable files. Just like the PC version, you can preview your deleted media files here. Now select the ones you want to restore and tap on the Recover button. Your files will be back on your phone in just a few steps. And there you have it. Whether you're dealing with data loss on a pen drive or an SD card, now you have the best methods to get the files back. Remember, Stellar Data Recovery Professional is your go-to tool for PC recovery, while EaseUS Mobisaver is the best choice for Android users who don't have a computer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Data Recovery Advisor, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.